At Tipping Point Media, we believe firmly in we learn best by doing. And that's what this medium really allows you to do, the virtual reality and augmented reality. Immerse the user in these experiences so they see and participate firsthand in their learning. And what we're doing is we're taking the user and putting them inside to where they become the disease. They become the monoclonal antibody delivering to the tumor. One of the other tools that we're building in virtual reality are patient journeys, to where you become the patient and you get to experience what it was like when the patient was healthy versus when the patient was starting to combat their disease. It's this empathetic approach to educating the doctor on what their patients could be going through. We've developed a number of these now to where the doctor gets to experience everything from macular degeneration, what rheumatoid arthritis feels like, and they get to live in the patient's shoes via virtual reality. Now, this is a game changer. We've spoken to many doctors that never knew what it was like to have macular degeneration before, and now VR allows that experience. There has been some incredible advancements with the VR and AR systems now available. Just recently, the Oculus Quest was released, and that has now made VR affordable, portable, and accessible to anyone. At a very low cost of $399. Now representatives can have this, all the representatives at your organization. They could be sharing this with doctors, and then doctors can be re-leveraging that for their patients. And one of the other new advancements that's being made is augmented reality. Now we're taking any of the leave-behind materials that are print-based, any of the product packaging, and we're turning all of that into augmented reality tools that doctors can then use to help explain the disease states and mechanisms of action to the patient. One of the tools that we just recently released was a gamification tool that we're calling the Virtual Reality Escape Room. Inside this, you can invite thousands of people around the globe to participate and compete against one another in a gamification format. So what we do is we'll take a pharmaceutical company's questions or answers and integrate those in to the problem solving that has to occur inside the escape room. It's a really fun and exciting way to get education and a message across. So Tipping Point Media's Reality Campus is our new tracking and measuring system. What this allows us to do is to get data on how everyone is interacting with our virtual reality and augmented reality solutions in a real-time feed. It also allows you to generate your own custom reports to where you can get feedback on how people are performing with these tools in the field. It's a very exciting time for AR and VR, and a lot of people are rushing to jump right in. And one of the things I could recommend the most is take your time. Crawl before you walk and make sure you find the right team. It's really important because there's so many moving parts and so many different responsibilities. When you're researching agencies, that you hire an agency that has all of these members in-house. The user experience and user interface designers, the graphic designers, 3D medical animators, medical content developers, and PhD level instructional designers. All of these people working in tandem are critical to a successful VR and AR solution.